Social Spin is a no barrier employer. We have 15 to 20 employees who have an unjust barrier to employment, and that ranges from being impacted by our justice system or currently experiencing homelessness or being unsheltered to people who have a variety of different cognitive challenges. And so we create employment opportunities for them so that they could actively achieve the self-sufficiency that they deserve.
Beginning of 2024, I found myself that everything that I owned was gone. And I found myself to be homeless. I was on the streets for a little while, and I moved into a facility at that time was called SOS, Safe Off the Streets. And I had spoke to Christy on one occasion about I have a commercial driver's license and would like to help. She took a chance and hired me as a driver, and it's been phenomenal.
Carrie's one of our first employees. She's been employed with us for about 7 years. She initially came to us through a job training program with Valley Life. And after 3 months with her job training program, I offered her a permanent job.
What I do is I help customer service. I wash laundry, I fold laundry, I weigh laundry, and I wash laundry. I use this as my gym time to work out, and that way I don't have to exercise when I'm home.
Carrie shares with me if she wasn't working, she would be sitting on the couch eating bonbons, watching TV. So that community integration for Carrie is so healthy for her, both mentally and physically. She brings so much joy to our team. She's a character who we absolutely love and adore. Work for Carrie gives her purpose. Work for Carrie gets her out of the bed in the morning, into a routine where she takes pride in helping people.
I learned I had to be fast, I had to be prompt, I had to fold exactly. There's a process that we do. Wash and fold, the customers expect very precise work. So Diamond shows me an example, and then I do what Diamond says or what Roy says. And I just like everything about Social Spin.